Hi everyone, I'm going to make the quiet book without binding on each page, so today I'll show you how to prepare pages. First you need fusible interfacing, heavyweight. This is woven and 100% cotton. And of course you need fabric. We need to cut square because I'm going to make book with square pages, and each page is 15 by 15 centimeters. So if you have patchwork ruler, just cut the fusible interfacing using stationary knife or rotary cutter. Because the pages are without binding, so you need to cut perfect square, because the result of the ready book will depend on those squares. For my book I need 10 of those. Now we need to apply the fusible interfacing. Lay your fabric right side down and lay the interfacing fusible side down. Using this method we need seam allowances about 1.5 centimeters. It is approximately ½ inch. We need to fold and press with the iron fabric from each side. I need to say that I had tried a lot of methods before this, and in my tutorials you will see that on some pages I use page as is, and all details were sewn onto the page, and only then I folded and pressed the allowances. Then I tried to make corner like so, and I didn't like the result, so now I will show my final result. I have tried a lot, and this will be the result that I may advise to use. So first we need to fold and press with the iron without steam the fabric from each side. Now fold and press along the edge of the fusible interface. As you may see, I have straight line. Same from every side. Now, to make corners, fold the corner. Those folds I'm using as ruler or as my guide. So this fold comes along with the edge of the interfacing from this side and from this side. Now fold and press. Again, fold and press. Same with each corner. Now take fusible web and we need to put it under the fabric, so between fabric and interfacing. You need to prepare all the pages for the book, including the covers, like so. And only then we will sew on the details on the page. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.